An app that pays you $5 for 5 minutes of your time? Sure, definitely. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you an app that will pay you anywhere from $1 to $13, averaging $5 for just 5 minutes of your time. It's super simple, and it's a great way to line your pockets with a little extra cash. Now, this is considered active income. You do something and you get paid for it. If you're more interested in creating a full-time income online or passive income, where you do the work one time and it continues to pay you for it ongoing, year after year, month after month, then you definitely want to click the link at the top of the description to get access to our training. Now let's dive into the app. So what's the app? It's called Streetbees. Streetbees. Now this app is really kind of cool. You basically are doing stories, communicating back and forth with them, answering just a couple questions like in a messenger chat. Super simple, and they pay out through PayPal. They pay real money, and it's open worldwide, which I know is a great thing for a lot of you folks that follow our channel, that you're not in the US and sometimes it's restrictive on who you can work with. This one is open worldwide, so that's a huge benefit for you. Now, if PayPal isn't an option for your country, don't worry. They said they have something called mobile top-up. That's something that they can use to pay out for you if PayPal isn't available in your country. Now, let's dive into more of exactly what they are and how you can get started. So this is their main website, streetbees.com. I'll have the link in the description so you can click on it, but it's kind of really neat. So they work with some really big companies. BBC, that's huge. Pepsi, one of the biggest companies in the world. Bloomberg, L'Oreal. So they've got a lot of stuff, a lot of companies that they're working for, and they want you to give them real-time input. And you, with your location and where you are, you can answer some questions that are very specific and helpful for these companies, and you get paid. So from their main website, you can click on the Become a Bee up on the upper top right corner, and it's going to give you some more information on what exactly this is like. Basically, they want you to share your stories and have fun. So they want you to answer questions about how you're living your life, the kinds of products, the things that you're doing, and just spur of the moment kind of things without having to put a lot of work and fill out incredibly long surveys, all that kind of other stuff that you can find elsewhere online. The idea here is supposed to be a lot easier and faster, and just like a quick Facebook Messenger chat or SMS chat with people that you can earn some money with. So once you sign up with them, it's really simple how it works. You simply pick one of the tasks that they're requesting and you answer the question, and it goes back and forth in a little messenger chat bot. Now, when you're done, awesome, you make money. Pretty simple. You're paid out in cash. Here's an example of what you can expect. So 10 euros for taking a 1-minute video while you make tea. Interesting. 5 USD to say what you think about your mobile network, or 45 something. I don't even know what that is, yen maybe or something, to take a photo at your local supermarket. These are the types of things that you will see. And if you look at what I'm sharing here on my computer, you'll see that it's scrolling through a phone and it's showing you exactly what this looks like. So making coffee in home, that's the task that's selected. They're going back and forth asking questions. They want you to take a picture of it. There you go. Done and done. Super simple. Washing dishes. See how these things, very easy. You just choose a task and you go for it. You answer whatever questions, you send them a picture, shoot a little video, whatever they're asking for, and you make money. So let's head over to Google Play and look at the app Streetbees. It actually has a lot of reviews. So over almost 25,000 reviews. That's a ton of reviews, and 4.1 stars is the average. That's really, really high for an app. It is also available on Apple. When you check it out on iTunes, it has 4.5 stars. A lot fewer reviews, only 510 reviews, but 4.5 stars. That's really high. So what are people saying about it? Let's take a look at one of the reviews. So very unique and fun. As opposed to the usual run-of-the-mill surveys that most of us are used to participating in, Streetbees is it has an entirely different model. This app doesn't solely rely on multiple choice answers, true-false questions. Instead, they're mostly open-ended, short answer questions. And by using this unique, brilliant model, they allow the user to tell their own unique story. In fact, that's exactly why they call their surveys stories. Each opportunity is a unique story. As you can imagine, this obviously provides them with ultra-specific information and really gets much more personal with each user. So this isn't full-time income. This is just some extra cash that you can play with. You can do a little activity on your phone, on your app, during your regular day-to-day stuff, whenever you have a few extra minutes, and make some money. So it's a nice way to get some cash in your pocket. It's not full-time income. If you're looking for full-time income online, click the link at the top of the description so we can teach you exactly how you start doing that. Please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create that time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, guess what? You're gonna have to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so that we can help you do that. We can help you create the time freedom that you deserve. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. If you're staying on YouTube, make sure to watch this one next. See you soon.